That fish is intimately associated with seagrasses, and Pelican Island had seagrasses all around it over here. Unfortunately, we've lost some of that seagrass now. We hope it grows back. But that whole ecosystem really depends on healthy seagrass, healthy mangroves, and everything else in here.
Seagrass goes down, trout population goes down. Simple. They cannot. The dynamic is there. They cannot survive without that seagrass. They're tied to it, life cycles and everything else. No seagrass, no trout.
That also tells you that there's a certain density of fish per unit area that is standard. So when you say you lose a seagrass here, the trout will go someplace else. It doesn't work that way. It means your overall capacity to support trout per unit area of seagrasses decline. So the fish they're territorial. They compete for resources.
Where that seagrass was the healthiest, you got your larger fish per length by weight.